Where'd you put it?
What do you want?
Are you still videotaping me?
You're supposed to
Go
dance.
brush your hair, you rat. I'm joking. You want to go sit outside and wait for them?
Not really.
No.
That would be creepy.
Just say we were sitting out. Not like sit out there and wait. But like just go sit
I
outside.
mean, I don't want to be swinging like this and him walk up there and be like,
No, I mean like out in the front yard.
no. Then he'll see y'all in here and he'll be like,
Never mind, Mom.
let's just keep driving, keep driving.
Okay.
He can get over it. We're gonna be here no matter
I'm
what.
driving.
Directly